Hello all, welcome to another video. Today it's kind of last minute recording this today because I'm throwing something together for the rock and roll bed. It's a kickboard. Now most of you have got these or you've seen these on the furniture. My rock and roll bed, I bought it secondhand, didn't come with a kickboard, so I am making one to match the floor as close as I can. So I've got an old pallet. I will insert a picture now. Got that from work, stripped it all apart, took out the pieces of wood that were salvageable, usable, sanded them down, cut them to shape and attached them together to make this. So this is what I've got so far. The measurements fit perfectly underneath the rock and roll bed. Plain on that side, just literally 3 buttons on the other side. I'm unsure which side to have facing outwards as of yet. I think I'm leaning more towards this smooth side. So, to make this all possible and stay where it's supposed to stay, and to look the way it's supposed to look, I have bought some toys. Let me show you these. Firstly, to make it match the floor, I bought a blowtorch and some butane propane mixed gas. Just gonna scorch it and I will show you that in a moment. I have bought, it looks like hair gel, doesn't it? It's not hair gel. I haven't even done my hair today. Couldn't be asked. These are screw-on magnets. So as you see, screw holes on there. They come with little self-tappers as well. So I'm going to hopefully, these are going to be, they're really strong magnets. So I'm hoping that they're going to be strong enough to put 3 on either side and clunk, just click it onto the rock and roll bed. And then once it's on the rock and roll bed, I've then bought these, which are leather straps. Got holes already in them. Now you can use them sort of like that to make the handle that way, but I'm going to do it this way. So they're like that, and then they're going to stick sort of like this. One at either side. Might put one in the middle, probably won't. We'll see, but the fun part first. So I'm looking forward to this because when I bought the flooring, the reclaimed pallet wood that's on the floor was already scorched. The timber yard that reclaimed it all and sanded it down, they scorched it for me when I picked it up. It was super cheap, which is why I got it. But obviously this is even cheaper because it was free. So let's get this in this and try not to set it on fire. Don't try this at home, kids. I mean, you can, but it's on your head, be it, not mine. Let's go. Dry fit it both ways, and I think I'm leaning more towards this way now. I like these bits being on the front, means it's smooth inside, nothing can snag on the inside of whatever we're putting behind it. And it reminds me like an old style crate, which I quite like. I'm really happy with how the scorching went, by the way. That was fun. I nearly burnt my finger lighting it, so be careful if you're doing this. Yeah, so let's screw the magnets on, see how strong they are. I've just actually put them on the bed legs and they are super strong, so let's get them on. Right, there's the magnets. Excuse the noise, somebody's just started stripping. So we've got 3 magnets on that side, 3 magnets on that side. Now, I'm going to put it in place. See where I can put the handles on the other side. Test run number 1. Whoa, chuffing hell, they're strong magnets. Literally, I didn't even lift it halfway up and it was like poof. It's a good sign though. Oh Christ. Oh my God. It's going nowhere once it's on. Might rip the magnets off the wood in time, but only time will tell. Let's get the handles on. Right, these are the handles. So they're like a black leather. Fold them over. We've got a little screw part there. And you get these. So I'm going to drill a hole in here to have them there, and I'm going to do the same there. So I've got one on each side, pull them both on the same plank of wood, so I think for strength, stability, be good in the same plank. We'll see. So I'm just hoping that the wood's not too thick, so that will actually fit through. I mean, I can drill this, I can sink the hole a little bit so that goes further in, but it's got to be that wide. Let's find out. We are finished. Now, these magnets might be a bit too strong. I actually struggle to get it off with the handles. So either the handles are too weak, might have to drill some proper handles, like metal gate style handles onto each side to properly pull it off, or downgrade the magnets maybe a little bit, because they are very, very strong, which is good. It's not going anywhere, like literally friggin' nowhere. But take a look. So that's another job ticked off the list. I'm happy with it. It looks good, keeps everything away. Like I say, the magnets are very strong. So it's my own fault. I did search for very strong screw-on magnets, and that is pretty much exactly what I've got. So might downrate them. I'm gonna leave it, give it a while, get used to it, and see how I get on. Overall, easy job. Cost me next to nothing. Had to pay for the magnets. They were a few quid, 7, 8 quid for 6. Had to pay for the handles. They were about a tenner. Again, you got 6, so I've got loads of spares if I ever want to use them for anything else. I had to buy this little beast, which is fantastic. B&Q. The burner was 13 quid and the tin was 4 or 5 quid, something like that. Comes with the little stabilizer as well, which is handy. Loads of gas left, because I'm going to do some cladding on the roof, I think. I think that's what I'm going to do. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you've enjoyed it, found it helpful, or if you've done this a different way and want to let me know that I've done it a difficult way, then tell me in the comments. Leave me a comment, give me a like, give me a share, give me a subscribe to see any future videos. Hit that notification bell if you really want to. It's all free, doesn't cost you a penny, but it really helps me. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.